Hello, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab Tablescape Tuesday. Y'all, you know I love me some Tablescape Tuesday. Well, this is another collab celebrating honor of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. We are still celebrating her birthday. This is her birthday month, and we are going to keep celebrating her till the end of the month. Anna, you are graceful. You are amazing. Anna, God has chosen you from among the stars that you will be a star for Him, carrying His word as He has directed you to do. Anna, this is in recognition of the work that you have chosen to do for God. This tablescape Tuesday is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is Anna, Amazing Grace, and Courtney of Amethyst Adventure. And the guest hosts are Denise Glam Style Living and Jubilee. And we were asked to do blue and yellow or blue and gold. So I chose blue and yellow with just a pop of gold. And this pop of gold is from a sign that says Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound that saved the wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Anna has come so far into her ministry. She has walked the walk, and now she's talking the talk. I thank God for choosing you from among the stars and bringing you here on earth for us to hear what the Lord has put into your spirit and put into your mind. Anna, keep going. Keep working in the field. For no man can work when it's night, but while it's day, do let your star so shine among men that they may find your graciousness and serve the Lord your God. I thank God so much for you, Anna, for everything that you're putting forth to do in the name of God and the name of Jesus the Son and God the Father. Thank you for letting your little light shine. And I'm going to turn this star on in your behalf because you are really letting your light shine so that others can see the goodness of God in your life. And just look how she shines. Isn't she flickering and shining beautifully? And I have a star on both sides of my tablescape. And I'm going to turn this one on as well. If I can. There we go. And there is that star again for Anna. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always remember that God is alive and well. And don't forget to continue praying for Anna that she may have continually amazing grace. She may have grace to finish the work that is put before her. She may have grace to talk the talk. She may have grace to walk the walk. This is May's Design Corner saying, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world, and He chooses whom He wishes to do what He wants to do. Remember, amazing grace. We are celebrating yet honor of the Grace Life DIY home and decor. Happy birthday, God's precious star. Happy birthday for letting your star shine among men that they may know that God is real. Happy birthday, Anna. Happy birthday to you. An amazing grace of a woman. This is May's Design Corner saying, prayer really works, y'all, and amazing grace. Adieu.